Dear students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about eye defect myopia from the lesson Human Eye and Colorful World of 10th class physics. Let us see the newspaper clipping on the screen. When you move it farther from your eye, some of the persons which are having eye defect, they are unable to read and the entire thing will become blur. They are not unable to see it clearly and comfortably. Let us see the reason. Eye. If the focal length is unable to set to 2.5 centimeters when the object is at infinity distance or somewhat long distance, then L is the least distance of distant vision. It is the principal axis for the eye lens. When the object is at infinite distance, parallel rays will come like this, and the maximum focal length should be 2.5 centimeters. But now it is unable to set to 2.5. It is less. So hence automatically all the parallel rays after refraction they will meet at a point before the retina. Then they will divide and strike the retina. So what happened? From the same object, three different rays are spotted at three different places, means automatically it will become blur. So the object is at infinite distance and focal length will be less than 2.5 centimeters. Image get focused before retina. So hence image is formed at the point of intersection of these rays. Now take the object slowly near to the eye, where you can see the image clearly. Then the object is beyond L, means beyond least distance of distinct vision, and focal length will be less than 2.5 centimeters. So now in this case, we are setting the point that at what is the maximum distance that a myopic eye can view. So now place the point as M. So means M is the maximum distance to which the eye can see the image clearly. So this defect is called myopia. Some people cannot see objects at long distances but can see nearby objects clearly. This type of defect in vision is called myopia. It is also called nearsightedness. Why? Because we can see the objects clearly which are near to the eye. So that's why nearsightedness. For these people, the maximum focal length is less than 2.5 centimeters. In such cases, the rays coming from distant objects after refraction through the eye lens form an image before retina. A healthy person can see objects at all distances more than 25 centimeters clearly, but a person with myopia can see objects clearly up to certain distance. So let us extreme point from where an object appears clearly to a person with myopia be M. If the object is at M or in between M and point of least distance of distinct vision L, then the eye lens can form an image on the retina. If the object, this point M is called far point. The point of maximum distance at which the eye lens can form an image on the retina is called far point. So the defect in which people cannot see objects beyond the far point is called myopia. So what can we do to correct myopia? So the eye lens can form a clear image on the retina when an object is placed between M and L, that is far point and point of least distance of distinct vision. if we are able to bring the image of the object kept beyond the far point, between the far point and the point of least distance of distinct vision, using a lens, this image acts as an object for the eye. So this can be made possible only when a concave lens is used. So how can you decide the focal length of the lens to be used to correct myopia? So to correct one's myopia, we need to select a lens which forms an image at the far point from an object at distance, infinite distance. So we need to select biconcave lens to achieve this. This image acts as object for the eye lens. Hence the philo image is formed on the retina. So let us find the focal length of this biconcave lens. Here object distance u is infinity and image distance v is equal to the distance of far point. So u is equals to minus infinity, v is equal to d minus d. Let f be the focal length of biconcave lens. Using lens formula, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by f is equals to 1 by minus d, that implies f is nothing but minus d, that is negative of the far point. Here f is negative, showing that it is a concave lens. Ray diagrams for myopic eye and its correction. For the correction of myopia, we need to place a biconcave lens before the eye lens. So that's why the specs are made with concave lens.